Hey guys, it is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am very lucky to be doing another collaboration with Woomer. I posted a video a few months ago where I reviewed their colored pencils, and today I am doing a video review of their 72 acrylic marker set that comes in this very handy dandy case. Now, I am naturally intimidated by brush markers. I'll be truthful, totally honest. I use them, but to do a whole page with brush acrylic markers is quite intimidating. But you don't have to use them alone. You can use them with colored pencils. You can use them with watercolors, or you can use them alone. So let's take a look at the set. They have these little tabs on the side, and I'm trying to be semi-graceful in opening them. And there, we got them all. So you have 6 trays of 12 colors in each tray. I'm going to show you each one. And then I'm going to do a quick swatching and give you my impressions. And then we're going to have some fun, and I'm going to do a coloring page. So as you can see, there is a plethora of colors here. I mean, 72 colors is dynamite for someone like me who's kind of, I'm going to say, a beginner with acrylic markers. I am definitely not a pro. So this is a real treat. Now, they sell these on Amazon, and they also sell them at their website. And I went and looked to see if my code is working, and it is definitely working. You can get 10% off anything on their website. I believe it's 10% for every order with the code THEHOUSEOFJANE. And I will leave the link to their website and a direct link to this set. And you can get, I believe, $8.99 off this set. Not really sure, but I'll put the details in the description box. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch, and I'll give you my first impressions. So this is the entire swatch card. The colors went on really nicely, very liquidy. You don't have to prime them to get the color out. And each color has a corresponding number on the cap, which I wrote on the swatch chart. So this is a free printable I got online. There was no swatch card, which is okay. You can just Google online for free swatches online. But they do have on the bottom all the colors if you wanted to see them, if you didn't feel like swatching. But I always like to swatch because some of the colors are not exactly true to form to the cap. They might be off just a little bit. So I'm going to set up and do a color with me, and we'll see how these work. I'm going to use some water in my drawings to activate the color to move it around. Though these are fast drying, when you lay them down on the paper, you can activate it with water and a paintbrush and move it around like acrylic.